Hi, I'm Maria, Rachel's sister, the baker in our family, and I'm making a carrot cake. Traditional carrot cake is usually pineapple and raisin. I'm making a pistachio-walnut carrot cake. It's really tasty. I think you'll like it. Okay, let's go. First thing we're gonna do is blend the oil and the eggs. Start this on low, really, really low. Don't want to just combine them so they're kind of emulsified together, and then bring the speed up for a minute or so at heat. So once you have the egg and the oil combined, you're going to add the brown sugar and the vanilla. Start off slow or you'll wear it. Just takes a minute. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients: flour, the salt, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, 5 spice, ginger. Again, start off slow. This is an explosion thing. If you start off too fast, any one of these steps, you'll wear it. Get anything that's on the bottom, just make sure it's all well combined. Then you're going to add the carrots and the orange zest. Just fold it in. And I'm going to add the nuts. I have pistachios and I have walnuts. Toast your nuts first and bake. 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. Here's what it looks like baked. This is 3/4. It's about a foot across. It's one of Rachel's Bubble and Browns. I love this thing. Whatever you're baking in, make sure you don't have more than like 3 inches of batter in the pan. Otherwise, you're gonna burn the outside before you get the center cooked. Okay, frosting. You're gonna take cream cheese, then you're gonna mix it. Powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. And you wanna really get it well mixed. Nice and clean. Give it a twist around, make sure it's completely clean and emulsified. And you can decorate the top. I took a cookie cutter and I pushed it down in. I grated some carrot and dried it in the cooling oven. You can just put it on the table as is and serve it right out of the baking dish. A perfect springtime Easter dessert. Happy spring!